In a town called Bunny Town, everyone was rich. Carrots flew like rivers. Borrowing was easy. Dreams were big. Everyone was winning. It was paradise! But paradise never lasts. Deep beneath the celebration, someone was watching. The party is over. Prices were rising. Inflation was coming. And someone had to act. Interest. I had no choice. Loans got expensive. Mortgages doubled. Dreams collapsed. And no one understood why. They called me a villain. But I was saving them.
Higher rates? That's good for IV.
If I didn't act, carrots would become worthless paper. Everyone would lose. The economy is a giant ship. You can't stop it suddenly. You turn it slowly, painfully. Prices stabilized. Carrots kept their value.
Bunnytown survived.
Prices stabilized. Carrots kept their value. Bunnytown survived. They call me Banker Benny. I control the rate. I control the future. Stay smart. Stay fluffy.